and Commander-in-Chief of Kenya Defence Forces, the Honorable Speaker of the Senate, Right Honorable Senator Kenneth Lusaka, PGH, Honourable Members of Parliament, Article 1 that the 2 clause 1 of the Constitution of Kenya requires the President to address a special sitting in Parliament once every year and at any other time. Njoki Dungu.
Not always easy, but honorable members, it is necessary. To the 1% of differing ideologies and positions. In 2020 alone, Revital exported 70 million COVID syringes to over 20 countries globally. Globally, the company saw opportunity in the crisis of COVID, adopted a public works project aimed at utilizing labor-intensive approaches